Hi everyone, I'm back with a new video. In this episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can log in into your Peacock TV account. So in order to log in or sign in into your Peacock TV account, first of all, make sure that you already have an account. And basically, when you are actually signing in, you can either use an application or a web browser. So if you want to use an application, you'll have to first of all install it from your Play Store. And then on the search box, all you have to do is just type in Peacock TV and you'll be able to find or locate the application on your Play Store. So in my case, I'm using a web browser, so all you have to do is just open up a browser, whichever is convenient for you, and type in peacocktv.com, and that's going to take you to the official page. So right over here, you need to go ahead and tap on the sign in button located in the top right hand side corner, and that's going to take you to the field where you actually have to provide in your login credential. That includes entering your email address or username and then your password and login into your account. So that's basically how you can log in or sign in into your Peacock TV account. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.